Good morning, all of you. Tomorrow, all of us are celebrating uh, Sankranti festival. Actually, it is one of the festivals which is being celebrated by the people of India with religious fervor and enthusiasm. This is the festival which lasts for 3 days. The first day is called Bogi, and the second day is called Makara Sankranti, and the third day is called Kanuma. Children feel very happy about this festival because on the first day, the villagers fire the bogie fire a certain place and they stand around it, and children from the villages bring the wreaths of cow dung and put those wreaths into the fire. So that is the custom. People or the people in India believe that this is the day on which Ravanasura died, and the people celebrated by of lighting a fire to celebrate his death. So since then, this custom has come into force, and people have been celebrating this festival since then. Usually, this is a wonderful festival for both the married girls and their husbands because they reach their mothers' houses, and their parents give them new clothes, give them prizes, and even give them money also. If the newly married couple have children, even the children are given prizes. And new dishes are prepared at home. They are usually made of corn flour, jaggery, and also butter or ghee, and black gram flour, and they are called differently in our country. So they are very delicious, and even if a foreigner taste those items, definitely they will like it. My intention too is make the festival international. Of course, everybody knows what happens in our country, but the foreigners and those who really speak English and those who know English should come to our country and appreciate our culture. With this intention, I have made this video, and I hope it will reach some um, foreigners so that they will be attracted to our culture. That is the on the first day, that is Bogi. I have said talked about that first day, and the second day that is called Makara Sankranti, and also it is called Peddala Panduga, means the day of the elders. In certain families, they prepare meals and serve the food to the elderly people. That means actually this day is intended for those who are dead. It is our custom to offer food to those who are dead in our families. So that is it is called Pedda Panduga or Makara Sankranti. On this day, even the sun uh, starts traveling north. That is what is called Makara Sankramanam. So we call it Makara Sankranti also. The last day is Kanuma. Actually, on Kanuma, though it is not the last day, it is not the least day. We can't give the least importance to this day. We have to give equal importance to this festival, this day, especially in Konaseema. That is, the district consists near from Ravulupalam to Talarevo. This is called Konaseema. This place is full of greenery. There are coconut trees. There are paddy plants, everywhere there is greenery. Even in summer, in scorching heat, this place looks green, so green that it is just like Kashmir, or it just like, or even more than Kerala. So even whenever if the foreigners visit this place, they will be wondered how beautiful this place is. So on the third day in Konaseema, the people go to the temple feast that is called Prabala Tirtham. That means the festival of Prabhas. Prabhas are almost in rectangular shape, and they are on the wooden frame. Different color cloths are affixed, and there is a priest sitting on it, and people carry these Prabhas to a certain place where the festival is held, and people, men, women, belonging to all sections of people, including children, go to that place and enjoy the place. The children blow the horns, they they blow the many things, and they blow the flute, they play the flute, and they buy many things, and they eat to their liking, and they come back home happily. This is called Kanuma. On the last day, that is Kanuma, and the next day is called Mukkanuma. That means the day after Kanuma, it is not given so important, but it is also one of the festive days. Actually, on Kanuma, we don't do anything, we don't move, we don't travel. We have to, even the son in laws and the daughters have stay at home, and they must not travel on this day because it is called inauspicious. Okay, with this, I would like to conclude my video. Thank you very much for listening to me. I hope some of our foreign friends